When a relationship breaks down, it is sometimes difficult for two parents to separate their feelings towards one another and make decisions for the benefit of their child. That is entirely understandable. That's sometimes why parents would like to engage the services of a solicitor in order to speak to the other parent on their behalf. This will enable amicable discussions to take place for the benefit of your child. Mediation is a useful service available to parents in order for you to sit down with an independent third body and to reach arrangements concerning childcare. An appointment will be made for you to meet with the mediator and discuss potential childcare arrangements. It isn't designed to cause hostility and instead is used to allow the parents to focus their minds and reach decisions based on the best interests of their child. More often than not, it will always be in the best interest of the child to have a stable relationship with both parents. A mediator will be able to assist in reaching such decisions, but they won't make a final decision for you. They will simply encourage you to reach a resolution with the child at the forefront of your minds. If mediation isn't successful, you could engage the services of a solicitor to write to the other parent on your behalf. However, there are no guarantees that the other parent will respond, and even if they do, their proposals might not be agreeable by you. As such, it may be that going to court is the only option available. In order to commence court proceedings, Form C100 is used, and if there are any concerns about risks of harm to the child, Form C1A is utilised. Form C100 provides details of the parents and the child, as well as the reasoning for the application being made. However, before the application can be submitted, a MIAM meeting must be attended, unless there are exceptions. MIAM stands for Mediation Information and Assessment Meeting. You will sit down with the mediator and decide whether mediation would be appropriate in the circumstances. If, after the meeting, it is decided that mediation wouldn't be applicable here, then they will sign a certificate. This will be inserted into the Form C100 and it can then be submitted to the court. Thereafter, directions will be made in order to progress the matter. CAFCAS stands for Children and Family Court Advisory and Support Service. CAFCAS is an independent body which gives guidance to the family courts. Initially, they will undertake checks on both parents and any new partners in order to confirm that the child would be safe within their care. This is called a safeguarding letter. If any future checks are required, then CAFCAS will prepare a Section 7 report. In order to do this, they will interview both parents, new partners and, depending on their age, the child. They will ascertain the views of all parties and then make recommendations for future childcare arrangements. It is important because CAFCAS has a very significant role to play in these proceedings. The courts often, although not always, use the recommendations of CAFCAS in order to make final orders. Therefore, even before a hearing has taken place, you can normally determine what is likely to be ordered just by looking at the CAFCAS report.